When I started this channel over 3 years ago, it was to share my experience of what it's like to switch away from a vehicle and commuting every day to work to taking an e-bike or alternative transportation. And not realizing that that was really my first step into minimalism. And along with e-biking, I also have an interest in auto and tech, and again with the intention of not spending the most money, but getting the most value for your hard-earned money. Now, while I've been focused on those main categories, I've also been watching YouTube and looking at other alternative ways of saving money. The most expensive thing that you spend money on is the place in which you live. Now, Southern California, especially Orange County, has become one of the most expensive places to live. And believe me, we feel the pain every month. E-biking can only get me so far. Now, with our youngest daughter about to move on to college, my wife has agreed to look at another possibility, another solution. Now, let's not get caught up in the money aspect of it either. The other thing I want to point out is this thing has really, I think, saved my life. And not to be dramatic, but before I would just sit in my car, drive to work my shift, come home, and just be destroyed from the day, lay around, watch TV, and now I can lay around and watch TV, but know that I had exercise along the way, right? Guilt-free. Now I'm going to continue to e-bike for months to come here, but at some point behind me, we're going to end up living in this 1984 Volkswagen Vanagon Wolfsburg Edition while I'm still working my corporate job with the intention of saving even more money. Because if we can eliminate the rent and just limit the expenses to what's in this van, it's going to make a massive difference. It's going to be a big change for us. We've never done anything like this before, and I'm really curious to see how well it's going to go. This is the van in its really early stages. I did not get the most expensive Vanagon, and this is definitely not the cheapest. It's a good starting point. So you'll see everything that we do to it, and most importantly, how we live in it. So we're going to show you that, and if you're interested, just stay tuned. Appreciate it. Have a great weekend.